गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। लास्ट वीडियो में हमने अपना नया चैप्टर अल्कोहल, फिनोल एंड ईथर्स स्टार्ट किया था और उसमें हमने प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अल्कोहल स्टार्ट की थी, जिसमें हमने दो प्रिपरेशंस कंप्लीट कर ली थी। पहली प्रिपरेशन थी उसमें फ्रॉम अल्काइल हैलाइड एंड द सेकंड वाज फ्रॉम रिडक्शन ऑफ एल्डिहाइड, कीटोन्स एंड कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड एंड एस्टर्स। दो प्रिपरेशन थी। फर्स्ट फ्रॉम अल्काइल हैलाइड, ये आपकी प्रिपरेशन थी विच रिएक्ट विद एक्वस QH और मॉइस्ट सिल्वर ऑक्साइड। उसके बाद रिडक्शन ऑफ एल्डिहाइड्स, कीटोन्स एंड कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड्स। And now we will start the next preparation, that is preparation from alkenes. So we have three methods of preparation of alcohol from alkene. The first is acid hydrolysis of alkene. Acid hydrolysis of alkenes means hydrolysis of alkene in presence of acids. The reaction is very simple. CH2 plus water in presence of H ion. In presence of acid, maybe H2SO4, it will produce CH3, CH2OH. Water will be added. The mechanism of this reaction is, if we look at the mechanism, here is CH2 plus H ion. The first step, attack of electrophile. Electron pair will shift, electromagnetic effect. Electron pair will shift on one of the carbon atom and it will produce a carbocation CH3. Now the second step, water will attack on the carbocation CH2 positive, CH3, single bond will be there, CH3. Water having lone pair of electron, this lone pair of electron will attack on the positive charge of the carbon atom and it will produce CH2. Now oxygen will have positive charge because oxygen will donate electron pair, and now in the next step H ion will be released from this water. H ion will be released, and with the release of H ion it will produce alcohol CH3. So this is the mechanism in which carbocation is the reaction intermediate. If we have unsymmetrical alkene, then CH3 addition will takes place according to Markovnikov rule. So in case of unsymmetrical alkene, addition will takes place according to Markovnikov rule. Markovnikov rule means negative part will goes to the carbon atom which has less number of hydrogen atom. This will be our major product. As you know, there may be one more product. That product is 1-propanol, which is according to anti-Markovnikov, product. CH2OH. What is happening here? Well, this will be our major product, which is Markovnikov product, while anti-Markovnikov is a minor. Negative part will goes to the carbon atom which has less number of hydrogen atom. Moreover, in such reactions, rearrangement is also possible. Rearrangement is also possible because of रिएक्शन इंटरमीडिएट इज कार्बोकैटायन. जहाँ पर भी कार्बोकैटायन आपका रिएक्शन इंटरमीडिएट होता है, दिस इज कार्बोकैटायन विच इज द रिएक्शन इंटरमीडिएट. जहाँ भी आपका कार्बोकैटायन रिएक्शन इंटरमीडिएट होगा, रीअरेंजमेंट के भी चांसेस होते हैं. द रीअरेंजमेंट विल बी लाइक दिस. सपोज कीजिए वी हैव क्वेश्चन CH3 CH3 CH double bond CH2, and now water is added in presence of H ion. Acid hydrolysis is done to this alkene. Then the product will be 2-methyl butane 2-ol. जबकि एक्चुअल में होना क्या चाहिए था, OH should be present at this carbon and hydrogen at this carbon. But actual में OH groups comes on this carbon, whereas a hydride shift takes place at this carbon atom. This rearrangement occurs due to the formation of carbocation, as tertiary carbocation is more stable. तो यहाँ rearrangement की भी possibility होती है. So this is the first method of preparation of alcohols from alkene. Acid hydrolysis, in which water is added in presence of acid, and product according to Markovnikov rule is produced if alkene is unsymmetrical. Now the second method is hydroboration oxidation. Second method from alkene, hydroboration oxidation. It involves two steps. The first step of hydroboration oxidation is reaction of alkene with diborane BH3, diborane B2H6, which we have studied in 11th class. Here we will write it BH3, or half B2H6 can also be written here. Now in such reaction, diborane is added to alkene, and in such a way that steric hindrance will minimum. So diborane will be added at this alkene in such a way that a bond between carbon and hydrogen is formation of the carbon hydrogen bond starts, whereas the pi bond between the two carbons start dissociating. यहाँ जो हमारा पाई बॉन्ड था वो डिसोसिएट होना शुरू हो जाता है. A bond between carbon boron start forming, and dissociation of bond between carbon and hydrogen also, so boron and hydrogen also start. So there will be two new bonds formation will take place, and two new old bonds will dissociate. These two old bonds are this bond, pi bond, इट विल स्टार्ट डिसोसिएटिंग. ये डिसोसिएट होना शुरू हो जाएगा. इस तरह से बोरॉन और हाइड्रोजन के बीच का बॉन्ड भी डिसोसिएट होना शुरू हो जाएगा, एंड टू न्यू बॉन्ड्स विल स्टार्ट फॉर्मिंग द बॉन्ड बिटवीन कार्बन एंड हाइड्रोजन एंड कार्बन एंड बोरॉन. ये दो बॉन्ड जो मैंने रेड कलर से दिखाए हैं ये बनने शुरू हो जाते हैं, और जो ब्लू कलर से बॉन्ड दिखा रखे हैं ये डिसोसिएट होने शुरू हो जाएंगे, एंड अल्टीमेटली वी विल गेट the product in which diborane gets added to alkene according to anti-Markovnikov rule. CH2 BH2. Now this BH2 get added to this carbon atom, and this hydrogen get added to the CH group. So it will produce CH propyl borane, CH3 CH2 CH2 BH2. Now since there are two more hydrogen on the boron atom, so it will again get added to one more alkene get added to it, and it will produce CH3 CH2 CH2 twice BH. Now one more alkene is added, CH3 CH double bond CH2, and it will produce CH3 CH2 CH2 thrice B. Now this trialkyl borane will undergo oxidation, the second step of hydroboration oxidation. The second step of hydroboration oxidation is we write here second step, oxidation of this trialkyl borane thrice P. It will get hydrolyzed in presence of alkali, oxidized by H2O2 in presence of alkali, and will produce alcohol and BH3 and H3BO3 boric acid. So this will be the final product in which water is added to alkene according to anti-Markovnikov rule. So this is the final product, alcohol. If we take the initial products, our initial products were alkene, and to this alkene, this was our initial product, and finally we get alcohol with OH group at carbon number 1, means anti-Markovnikov addition takes place by hydroboration oxidation. First of all, BH3 is added to alkene, and then hydrolysis, oxidation of the trialkyl borane produce alcohol according to anti-Markovnikov rule. The third method of preparation of alcohol from alkene, the third method is oxymercuration, demercuration. The reaction is alkene now in this reaction no rearrangement takes place. हमारी जो पहली थी एसिड हाइड्रोलिसिस, उसमें मार्कोनिकोव एडिशन होता है और रीअरेंजमेंट के चांस होते हैं. सेकंड में देयर वाज एंटी मार्कोनिकोव एडिशन एंड नो रीअरेंजमेंट टेक्स प्लेस, वेयर एज इन द थर्ड मेथड मार्कोनिकोव एडिशन होगा वाटर का एंड देयर विल बी नो रीअरेंजमेंट. सो इट इज HG, मर्क्यूरिक एसीटेट, HgOCOCH3, mercuric acetate is produced. So the product will be CH3 CHOH, water get added, CH2 HgOCOCH3 plus acetic acid plus CH3COOH. Now this is mercuration, and the next step is demercuration, means removal of this mercury again. The second step, CH2 HgOCOCH3. Now demercuration with sodium borohydride takes place, and it will produce CH3CHOH, CH3 plus Hg plus CH3COOH. So alcohol is produced again and now this time water is added to our initial product alkene. Initial product is alkene, in which water is added and produce alcohol, in which OH group is present on the carbon atom which has लेस नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम. जिस कार्बन पे हाइड्रोजन कम है उस पर OH ग्रुप नेगेटिव पार्ट अटैच है, मीन्स एडिशन टेक्स प्लेस अकॉर्डिंग टू मार्कोनिकोफ रूल. सो दिस इज आवर preparation from alkenes. There are total 3 preparations. The first is by acid hydrolysis. Acid hydrolysis, addition takes place according to Markovnikov rule, and addition takes place according to Markovnikov rule, and rearrangement may be possible due to carbocation reaction intermediate. Second method, hydroboration oxidation. In this method, addition takes place according to anti-Markovnikov rule. And third is oxymercuration demercuration, in which water is added to the alkene by Markovnikov rule, and no chance of rearrangement is there in oxymercuration demercuration. So these are the 3 methods of preparation of alkene. Preparation of alcohol from alkenes. The next is preparation of alcohol from Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent is again a very important compound, RMgX. Very important reagent is this Grignard reagent, RMgX. Now in this reaction, Grignard reagent produce alcohol when treated with carbonyl compounds. That carbonyl compound may be aldehyde, may be ketone, or may be esters. So reaction of Grignard reagent with aldehyde, ketone and esters produce alcohol. Now the reaction is like this, RMgX. The reaction takes place in such a way that R negative ion, now this CO bond is polar, in which carbon have partial positive charge and oxygen has partial negative charge due to more electronegativity of oxygen. Now this R negative attacks on the carbon, whereas MgX shifts on the oxygen atom and produce OMgX and alkyl group on the carbon atom, which upon hydrolysis, in the second step, hydrolysis takes place, acid hydrolysis, and it will produce alcohol. Now care to be taken in these reactions are, or the main point which we should note is that if we use formaldehyde, HCHO, then the product formed will be primary alcohol. The product will be primary alcohol, RCH2 OMgX, which upon hydrolysis will produce primary alcohol, HCHOHR, or we can also write it as RCH2OH, which is our primary product. The side product produced will be MgXOH. That will be our side product. So RCH2OH, this is the primary alcohol, is produced when we use formaldehyde in the reaction. If we start the reaction with formaldehyde, if we take any other aldehyde, instead of formaldehyde, if we use ethanol acetaldehyde, CH3CHO, and then treat it with RMgX, it will produce CH3C H, OMgX and R, which upon hydrolysis will produce secondary alcohol, so it is alkyl group. RCHOH means secondary alcohol will be produced if we use any aldehyde, and if we use formaldehyde अगर हमने यहाँ पर यूज़ किया है, जैसे कि हमने यहाँ फर्स्ट एग्जांपल में लिया था, देन द प्रोडक्ट विल बी प्राइमरी अल्कोहल. दिस इज प्राइमरी अल्कोहल, प्राइमरी, whereas the product is secondary alcohol if we use any other aldehyde except other than formaldehyde. फॉर्मेल्डिहाइड से अलग कोई भी एल्डिहाइड अगर हम लेंगे तो सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल प्रोड्यूस होगा, और अगर हम फॉर्मेल्डिहाइड लेते हैं तो वी विल गेट प्राइमरी अल्कोहल. नाउ दिस इज एल्डिहाइड, this is also aldehyde. If we use ketone, let us see the reaction with ketone also. There are two alkyl groups on carbonyl carbon in ketones. Two alkyl group, let one is R, other is R dash, treated with R double dash MgX. Now all the three alkyl groups are R dash and R double dash. I am taking all the three alkyl groups different. So the reaction will be R C R dash. Two alkyl group was already present on the carbon. The one alkyl group will come from the Grignard reagent, and this is OMgX. Upon hydrolysis, will produce RC R dash R double dash OH plus MgX OH. So this will be our tertiary alcohol, in which there will be three alkyl group on the carbon atom. Three alkyl group attached with a carbonyl carbon. So this is reaction of Grignard reagent with formaldehyde, primary alcohol, with any other aldehyde, secondary alcohol, with ketone, tertiary alcohol, and now with ester also. The esters also produce alcohol. Esters CH3 CO O CH3 plus RMgX. It will produce CH3 CO MgX R OCH3. Now this compound is unstable and will decompose to CH3 R plus MgX OCH3. So this product MgX and OCH3 is removed. The product is unstable and we get CH3COR. This will be our product with double bond. Now this is ketone. Now again reaction of this ketone takes place with RMgX followed by hydrolysis. दोनों स्टेप में इकट्ठे दिखा रहा हूँ. So it will produce tertiary alcohol. R and R. So esters also produce tertiary alcohol. Formaldehyde produce primary alcohol. Any other aldehyde produce secondary alcohol, and ketones produce tertiary alcohol with Grignard reagent. And the overall reaction is this one, in which carbonyl carbon being polar, RMGX is added to the carbonyl group and produce alcohol. Keep in mind this reaction here. Grignard reagent RMGX is added to the carbonyl group. इस carbonyl group पे RMGX ऐड होता है, जिसमें R नेगेटिव आयन कार्बन आयन है वो कार्बन पर ऐड होता है, जबकि MgX is added on the oxygen atom. So this is preparation from Grignard reagent. One or more two reactions are there, which are preparation from molasses. Preparation from molasses. So इंडस्ट्रियल स्केल की प्रिपरेशन है ये हमारी, इंडस्ट्रियल स्केल प्रिपरेशंस. तो व्हाट आर मोलासेस, पहले तो नेक्स्ट प्रिपरेशन, व्हाट आर मोलासेस, प्रिपरेशन फॉर मोलासेस. मोलासेस एक्चुअली आपका मोलासेस कैसे कहते हैं इसको, व्हाट आर मोलासेस. जब शुगर प्रिपेयर की जाती है, आफ्टर द क्रिस्टलाइजेशन ऑफ शुगर, द मदर लिकर लेफ्ट आल्सो कंटेन 40 to 50% शुगर इन मदर लिकर. मदर लिकर क्या होती है आपकी? मदर लिकर आपने जब शुगर क्रिस्टलाइज होती है तो क्रिस्टल्स शुगर के नीचे बैठ जाते हैं, जो ऊपर लिक्विड बच जाता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड मदर लिकर, एंड दैट कंटेन्स नियरली 40 to 50% शुगर. नाउ alcohol is also prepared from this sugar, and this is the industrial scale method. That sugar is C12H22O11 sucrose. It is hydrolyzed in presence of enzyme invertase, and it will produce C6H12O6 plus C6H12O6. Yes, both are C6H12O6. One is glucose and other is fructose. One is glucose and other is fructose. Now this glucose and fructose is then again hydrolyzed, oxidized to ethanol by zymase enzyme. This C6H12O6 plus it is oxidized to by enzyme zymase to C2H5OH ethanol and 2 carbon dioxide. This is the mainly method used for the preparation of alcohols. अल्कोहल जो हम ड्रिंक में भी यूज़ करते हैं, वाइन्स में, बियर्स में, दैट इज मेनली प्रिपेयर्ड बाय दिस मेथड फ्रॉम द शुगर. आल्सो फ्रॉम स्टार्च, इंडस्ट्रियल स्केल पर इट इज़ आल्सो प्रिपेयर्ड फ्रॉम स्टार्च. नाउ व्हाट इज स्टार्च? स्टार्च इज C6H10O5 and it is polymer of C6H10O5, means polymer of glucose. Now it is hydrolyzed, and upon hydrolyzed, first is produced maltose sugar C12H22O11. First is produced, the sugar name is maltose. Now this maltose sugar C12H22O11, this maltose sugar is again hydrolyzed by enzyme maltase AS है ये maltase, जबकि आपका पहली रिएक्शन में जो एंजाइम था वो था diastase. Now in the presence of maltase it is again hydrolyzed to produce glucose. Maltose sugar is made up of two glucose molecules C6H12O6. Now both are glucose in this case, glucose. Now glucose is again oxidized by this glucose is again oxidized by enzyme gymase to produce ethanol and carbon dioxide. So these are the two industrial scale preparation of alcohols from molasses and from starch, which are hydrolyzed with the help of some enzymes, and then oxidized to ethanol. Now one more method is there from primary amines when treated with HNO2. Any primary amine, that it is C2H5NH2. Ethanamine when treated with HNO2. HNO2 is prepared in C2. Within reaction इसको prepared किया जाता है by treating NaNO2/HCl. NaNO2 reacts with HCl, produce HNO2 and NaCl. Now this HNO2, it is HNO2, so it is written as HONO. Now it will produce C2H5OH plus nitrogen and water. So ethanol is also produced by this. Not only ethanol but any alcohol can be prepared by this method, that is from primary amine. Preparation from aliphatic primary amines. This is also that it is used for aliphatic amines also. So this is another method of preparation of alcohol. So now we have just completed our preparations of alcohol. Now this preparation of alcohol, first of all let us start, just revise from starting. First of all, preparations from alkyl halide RH plus KOH aqueous produce RH plus KX. इसमें हमने बताया था आपको सेकेंडरी और टर्शरी के लिए ज़्यादा बेनिफिशियल ये मेथड नहीं है. देन वी यूज moist silver oxide. Second, reduction of aldehyde ketones and carboxylic acids. And after that, today we have done from alkene, acid hydrolysis of alkene, hydroboration oxidation and oxymercuration demercuration. Then from Grignard reagent, reaction of Grignard reagent with aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. Primary aldehydes produce formaldehyde produce primary alcohol. Any other aldehyde produce secondary alcohol, whereas ketone produce tertiary alcohol. Esters also produce tertiary alcohol. Then from molasses and starch, and one more method is from primary amines, reaction of primary amine with HNO2. So these are all methods of preparation of alcohols. So here we have completed the preparation of alcohol. Now properties of alcohol we will take in next video. Thank you.